Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making easy air fryer chicken croquettes. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in a bowl. I have 2 pounds of ground chicken. To that I'm going to add 1 egg. Now Dexter was talking a minute ago and I was all quiet. That's right Dexter, ground beef. We're making hamburgers. I'm going to add 1 egg. Now we're going to add our seasonings. Let me wipe my hand off here quick. And I'm keeping my seasonings fairly simple. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add in some thyme leaves. I'm going to go for about a half a teaspoon. I'm going to add in about a half a teaspoon of white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, regular pepper will work fine. And I'm going to add in some turkey seasoning. Now if you can't find turkey seasoning, I get this at the Dollar Tree. Poultry seasoning will work just fine. I'm going to go for about a teaspoon of that. And I'm going to add some Italian breadcrumbs. This is going to work as a binder to hold our croquettes together. I'm going to go for about a half a cup. And I'm just going to get in here and I'm going to mix this up. And I'm probably going to need a little more breadcrumb because this ground chicken is super moist. And if you want, you could use plain breadcrumb, but I like the addition of the Italian seasonings, the oregano, the Italian seasoning, the basil, or whatever they put in there. And you'll know when you have enough breadcrumb when this here just gets to bind just right. Alright, now I'm going to set this aside just for right now. Alright guys, now I have 2 eggs I scrambled and I have some breadcrumb. We're going to coat them with some breadcrumb. And what you see there in the corner of the camera, that's some potatoes I have come up to a boil for some mashed potatoes to go with this. So I'm going to take a little bit of my ground chicken and we're going to make them in about golf ball size meatballs. I'm going to dip that in the egg. And then we're going to go ahead and coat that in breadcrumb. I'll use my dry hand to get in there. And I'm going to set these aside on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Now if you don't have an air fryer, you can just put that parchment lined cookie sheet in the oven, 400 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and do all my chicken croquettes, and when I get them done I'll bring it back. Alright guys, I have my chicken croquettes all breading. You see how many 2 pounds of chicken made. It actually surprised me that it made that many. I'm going to take my air fryer basket here and I'm going to load some in. I'm going to have to do this in 2 batches because my air fryer is not going to hold them all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to light my oven to the lowest temperature. That way there, when the first batch is done, we can put them in the oven and hold them till the rest of my croquettes are done. Now that's how they look. I'm going to put in my air fryer 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Alright guys, these just came out of the air fryer. They took 12 minutes. I checked them with the meat thermometer. Now I have my second round in and I'm going to put these in the oven to keep them warm. Alright guys, my chicken croquettes are all done. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some mashed potatoes and some chicken gravy to serve over the whole thing. Let me get in here and try one of these croquettes, guys. What, Dexter? Crispy on the outside, moist, tender on the inside, well seasoned. That's really delicious, guys, and it's Dexter approved. Alright, there you have it, guys. Easy air fryer chicken croquettes. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.